What do you have time to show them around to the hospital? Because then maybe that would be nice. You speak to them. First about maternity. Okay, no worries. Now we are already in pediatrics, just if you're already there. Not very busy at the moment, mainly due to Ramadan, we think.
والله ضد كيرش هذا ضد فرق بدل اللي أنت بدل الجراش عيدنا ويبقى حميتهم ضد كسر الشرسرية